Brothers Bistro, Hot Bytes, bringing you tips to ensure your success. Welcome. I'm Skinny Kenny.
And I'm Musclehead Cat.
And we're the Klar brothers. Today we're going to bring you our very first episode of
Brothers Bistro, Hot Bytes. Wow, what in the world? What is a bite?
Well, I know it's tough for you to get your head around this, but it's an acronym.
Okay, well, so in paramedic school, I think we used some of those
You
to
did not.
Yeah, I locked them in my brain as a steel trap.
Yeah, you're all out of slots. You can't have any more acronyms. Well, I'm going to give you a new one today. This acronym stands for bringing you tips to ensure success. Right? Did you notice we're not in the kitchen?
Well, yeah, we got some different unis on. We were normally in the kitchen cooking with our aprons and all of our stuff, but this time we've got Under Armour.
That's right.
Under Armour is what's underneath. So this is our shameless solicitation for an endorsement deal. So Under Armour, if you're listening,
we're begging. Anyway, back to our acronym, bringing you tips to ensure success. So we've basically broken this down into 3 segments that we want to touch that kind of complements what we do in the kitchen. Because in the kitchen, we focus a lot on nutrition. The first piece is healthy body.
And for healthy body, we'll do things like what? Fitness routines or what you can do to stay active and healthy.
Yeah, outside the kitchen, right?
Okay.
So, and then the second piece is healthy mind.
Oh, what are we going to do for that?
Well, that could be like meditation or maybe a compelling morning routine or some compelling read that you got you want to share with other people, that kind of thing. The last piece is healthy finances.
Oh, yeah, because we want to help people live the best life possible, and we have learned a thing or two. I've coached a few people, you've coached a few less, but together, we're here to help you guys live your best life possible.
That's right.
Super cool.
That's right. So turn on the notifications, hit the subscribe button, and give us a thumbs up.
All right, and we'll be back before you know it.
Brothers Bistro, out!